have a recipe for you. How about a soul care recipe that I use each and every day to live unbotheredly at peace?
Creativity flows from the creator to the created and to the masses.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Cece, and we are awakened. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're returning, appreciate you. Thank you so much for your support. This channel is it's a guide. I was a guide. It's a support on that journey inward. What I do is take the things that I've learned in my transition into consciously living, and I speak about them here in hopes that maybe it'll help somebody else. Be sure to hit the subscribe and the bell to not miss a thing and receive notifications when there's new content. So this recipe, let's get into it. It's your girl birthday. It's your girl birthday. Ow, 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 ow. See, the first ingredient in this soul care recipe to live unbotheredly at peace is to believe in something bigger than yourself, right? There's a lot of different, religions and aspects of religions and beliefs. There's only one relationship with creation. If we fall into worshiping or idolizing another aspect of creation, how does that make sense? It's with the creator. It's with the creator that we forge a relationship with. That's the first thing. Because the loopholes, getting caught up in a catch-22 24/7 ain't what it is. Number 2, breathing. Acknowledgement of your breath, it makes you grounded. If we acknowledge and appreciate each and every breath that flows through us, then we tie ourselves to the present, and we become habitually grateful. And in this practice, our foundation of who we are becomes stable and firm and sturdy, so that when any kind of wind, any kind of distraction, any kind of negativity that is for sure to come our way, it won't do the damage that it could have done if we weren't grounded. And it also makes us hella aware of this miracle that our this body, perform each and every moment. Oh, but number 3 said we cannot forget that spoonful of authenticity, forging a lifetime of creativity. Man, if you be you with all of your existence, even doing and seeing the same things every day can produce a new experience. It's all in how we see it. All right now. Because this could only work if you check your attitude. Where you at? What's your attitude like? Are you feeling yes? Are you feeling no? You can or you can't? Because we must affirm. Anything other than that won't work. Can't forget them sprinkles of kindness, empathy, and compassion. Trust. I am a woman of color from African descent homosexual, heavy set, don't y'all know I understand that there's people and there are things about this world that's mean, that's riddled with fear, that seems unforgiving. I overstand. It can be cold-blooded. But it's in that number one. But when you believe in something, when you practice this entire recipe, every moment, get in the habit of every moment of your life, and you believe in something, and outside of yourself, creation, you start to learn things about yourself and align with what you're supposed to do. And then you realize that is the very distinction in understanding what's mine and then what's projected onto me from other people's fears, from other people's pain, and from other people's trauma. Everybody, we all have a story. And knowing that distinction, it cuts out a lot of noise. Tell my soul, girl. Yes. We learn to, if you're giving this to me, it's not mine. I don't have to take it. Just because you're giving it to me don't mean I have to take it. So I'm going to leave you and that right there. Y'all stay right there. And I'm going to treat you with love and respect. But I'm going to keep it moving. It's in that distinction where we can be kind. We're designed to unite. And we're designed to help one another. We're designed to have empathy. To learn that part of ourselves. You cannot forget the good old herbs and seasoning, natural herbs and seasoning of self-love and self-worth. Look in the mirror and be alright. Be alright with what you see. Be alright with what you feel. Whether somebody's standing next to you or not. Whether you where you want to be in life or not. Whether you have a whole bunch of money in the bank or not. Evaluate where you want to be. And then see what you have to do to make the goals, the appropriate goals for yourself to get there. Each one of us, you are priceless. So priceless. It's not until it's realized how priceless we are. We have to realize that. Because until we do, there's cost and value to everything we do, not just finances, but energy, spiritual, the decisions we make. Everything we do, the cost will outweigh the value each time. Working like that, thinking like that, operating in this life like that, it don't stack the books. I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. It don't really matter what you make for tea, a bowl of cereal, nothing, reading a book, writing down this recipe, because it's conjured up inside. You don't have to be cooking. If you have a desire to live better, unbothered, in that peace. If you have a desire for better, positive, enriched, healthy experiences of reality, and these things that you do not have to pay for and that's inside of you, what it does is stimulates the raw materials that's encoded in our DNA. It stimulates that inspiration, these ideas, this, and it helps us, it makes us, we nosy. we get intrigued. And it helps us to want to learn more about what it is we like and where it is we come from, and what it is that we should eat and what comes from the earth and what don't. And all of these things are intertwined. And it helps increase the underdeveloped mental capacity so that we can, so that we will connect mind, body, and soul with care. It's your girl birthday. It's your girl birthday. Ow, 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 ow. I just want to let y'all know, it really is my birthday. And I thank you so much for rocking with me, sharing your time with me for us to, chillax like this, having a cup of tea. I feel good, and I'm able, and this channel, this moment, I am grateful for it. So thank you. And don't get discouraged. If you feel like you've fallen out of this present moment, it's okay. Because you've now realized that you're not in the moment, and you found yourself so that you can realign yourself with this very, very moment. Go on now and enjoy. And we out here. Peace.